It is a well-known fact that India is an agricultural country. But in our country, comparatively, we are lacking in agricultural fertile lands and high-tech technologies. Like developed countries of the globe, developing countries are also trying to exploit maximum of their available resources, by which they are continuously trying to improve their agricultural technologies. Since 2 decades, there is a remarkable growth in international market of agricultural products. The credit goes to the use of hybrid varieties for more production, use of fine water resources, and heavy use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides in quantity. Definitely, these factors increased agricultural production remarkably in our country. But now, we are facing the side effects of this uncontrolled exploitation of natural resources like loss of natural fertility of soil and soil pollution at large. As a result, fertile soil is continuously losing many essential components as nitrogen, phosphorus, etc. Simultaneously, there is another fearing factor that by excessive use of chemical fertilizers, our natural fertile lands are continuously losing their basic texture. Regular use of chemical fertilizers is slowly ruining the natural fertility of lands indirectly. As a result, farmers are getting more and more dependent on chemical fertilizers. In a developing country like ours, where we find a large percentage of landless farmers and most of them are not in a condition to use adequate quantity of recommended dosage of earlier said synthetic means, where day by day increasing cost of chemical fertilizers and less production are like hurdles in their right use. On the other hand, by using chemical fertilizers, continuous decrease in production and dependence on chemicals, new disease in crops, infertility of agricultural lands, a notable lack in taste in cereals, vegetables and fruits are very common. Apart from these, various health problems like bad effect on child health, possibility of cancer, weak digestion and memory, decreasing average age, polluted environment are some other fearful factors which put a big question mark on utility of these chemical products. In all these circumstances, it is necessary to find a right solution. In these conditions, we are once again bound to depend upon Mother Nature. There is a totally different world of tiny microbes in soil. Few of them are like boon for us. Few bacteria transform unsoluble and non-carbonic DAP, phosphorus to soluble carbonic phosphorus. Few of them transform environmental nitrogen into urea. Few microbes replicate unsoluble nitrogen found in land. Some of them provide all the necessary elements like magnesium, potassium, etc. to plants. Simultaneously, they also improve immune system of plants. With the help of these natural factors, which fertilizers produce, known as biofertilizers or microbial fertilizers. These kind of biofertilizers are invented in labs by specialized scientists from labs. It carries to the factories where production of these fertilizers is held at a large scale. Use of these biofertilizers are a perfect financial fit for farmers like a country of ours, because in comparison to the cost of chemical fertilizers, biofertilizers are much economic. Even poor farmers can use biofertilizers easily and can get an enormous production at a very tiny cost. In the range of biofertilizers, Dr. SMH Zaidi has invented a unique microbial fertilizer, BioAzoGold. BioAzoGold is a mixture of 25 types of bacteria and molds. Invention of BioAzoGold is unique indeed because it opposes a general law of microbiology, which is, if we put together more than one microbes, they create a negative effect upon each other. Mr. Zaidi used 25 different bacteria and molds in BioAzoGold, containing the shelf life of 18 months. BioAzoGold is nectar of agricultural land indeed. BioAzoGold is a unique, miraculous product launched in agricultural market for the first time in the world perhaps. Regular use of BioAzoGold gives an extra growth of 20 to 80% in production. BioAzoGold also purifies those lands which turned toxic and useless by excessive use of chemical fertilizers. Regular use of BioAzoGold decreases regular production cost up to 50%. Use of chemical fertilizers also decreases by the rate of 80%. BioAzoGold is completely safe for all kinds of crops like cereals, vegetables and fruits. It also prevents your crops from root-generated diseases. To prove all these earlier said facts, company organized a survey in different states of the country to test BioAzoGold in their fields. BioAzoGold successfully passed all the challenges. Inventor of this miraculous product, Dr. SMH Zaidi tells about his product.
BioAzoGold एक बहुउपयोगी अविनाशी भूमि प्रबंधन तंत्र है जो कि खेतों की जो नेचुरल फर्टिलिटी होती है उसको बनाए रखते हुए ये पैदावार में वृद्धि करता है। यह एक संपूर्ण भूमि शोधक वृद्धि कारक अविनाशी भूमि प्रबंधन तंत्र है जो भूमि की वास्तविक उर्वरा शक्ति को बढ़ाते हुए पैदावार में वृद्धि करता है। इसके उपयोग से न केवल रासायनिक उर्वरकों की इस्तेमाल में कमी होती है बल्कि इसके द्वारा जो अन्न, सब्जी या फल पैदा किए जाते हैं वो पौष्टिक तथा प्रदूषण रहित होते हैं। इनके अंदर यूरिया तथा अन्य कीटनाशकों के प्रभाव की कमी होती है जिसके कारण ये स्वास्थ्य के लिए लाभकारी होते हैं।
We want to share with you few splendid experiences of those farmers who used BioAzoGold in their fields.
Farmers who had been using other manures and pesticides have largely benefited by the use of BioAzoGold. We were told that they had approximately 1.5 times more yield of crop by the use of BioAzoGold. With less expenses and more benefits, the farmers have decided to continue regular use of BioAzoGold in their fields. Other farmers who have not used BioAzoGold are now inspired and told us that they too would be very happy to use BioAzoGold for better yields. There is a visible difference in the crop yield. To the left of the screen, this farmer had used BioAzoGold, and to the right, regular pesticides and urea have been used. He too claims that BioAzoGold has helped him to get around 50% more yield than previous ones.
Sharing these experiences, it is proved that BioAzoGold is a boon for a country like India. We can't express this feeling in words. Method of application. Take approximately 200 kilograms of compost or farmyard manure or dried cow dung or chopped paddy straw. This is to be mixed thoroughly with approximately 100 kilograms of moist field soil and one 600 grams pack of Bio Azo Gold soil management package. Spread the mixture uniformly in 1 acre of field, preferably at the time of pre-sowing field preparation, or at the time of sowing, or at transplantation stage, or even before flowering. Its spray or foliar application is not recommended.